Ici, viens.
Huh?
Ici, viens. Et le serrer le gros.
Yeah?
Ouais.
Be safe, yeah? I'm making this little 10-year-old take me on this thing. Oh my life.
Rum biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a rum biker, rum rider. If your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. These guys are hustling. Hey?
I will take you to the group and I'll leave the quad bike.
Okay.
It's not your first time. You did it before? So accelerate and the brakes. Use it together in the same time.
Oh, it's auto. Auto.
Yes.
Okay.
You can go. You can go. This way, this way. Okay, stop here. Oh, yes, yes.
Yaga, yo, we're outside again. Quad biking settings. Mate, listen. This is crazy. And you know what? That's some nice quads, you know. Then give me this. We're gonna see what we can do with this. Rotted. There's all sorts of arguing going on here, you know. Mad. Someone translate what they're saying, please, and thank you.
will take you to the group, okay?
Yeah. Ready? These guys are taking over the Frocko to Rotted. Rotted. Which way? Which way? On there? Ross. Ugh. Man. On there?
Ici, viens.
Huh?
Ici, viens. Et le serrer le gros.
Yeah?
Ouais.
Be safe, yeah? Why is that? Oh gosh. Rotted. Oi, I'm making this little 10-year-old take me on this thing. Oh my life. Oi, this is mad. Mad. Oh yeah. Yeah man, it's too fast. Alright, slow down a bit man. Slow down a bit. I go too far. Alright. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah. Oh, it is you. Let's let it go. All right. We swap over now, yeah? You got a car, that's what I was saying. Oh my gosh. Oi. Little man. Yeah, you are done. How old are you? How old are you? 13. Oh, he's a he's a bad boy. He's a bad boy. my huh? I don't think I got any change on me. Wait till I get back. When I get back, I'll give you.
Change? Hello?
Hold on, wait there, 1 second.
He said if you want to take pictures, you can give him just your phone.
My phone was in the taxi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Listen, take this when I come back. I'll give you some money for it. Yeah. Okay. What you say, Gaff? He's 13. He's crazy. Yeah, man, we're outside again. You know what we're doing out here? Quad biking and them thing there. Mate, that ute there is crazy. That ute there, point at that kid there. Yeah, it's a bad boy quadder, bad rider. He scared me, man, I can't lie, he scared me. But anyway, yeah, man, we're gonna try this quad biking thing. I don't know why it is, you know, but I keep feeling like I'm gonna tip over. Fire for quads. Yeah, let's go. Ah! Let it off. Let's go. Yes. Yes, I got the one though.
From biker, yeah, na. Ooh. This is a from biker, from rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again.